hello, darlings. Hey, no, you stay there. There goes that tripod again. It's oh my God, so funny. What did I just say? No, stay still. Yeah, like, oh my God. Anyway, this tripod is not listening to me. Anyway, it's great to see you all again. And thanks for joining me for today's video. I'm going to be making an apple juice. Come back here. Stay there. I'm telling you now, oh my God, what did I just say? This tripod has a mind of its own. I'm sure it does. Say. I'm going to be making an apple dessert from the Titanic menu. What are you doing? I'm over here. Stay there. Oh my God, I can't believe this tripod is doing this to me. Stay there. Oh my God. Anyway, I can't believe it's doing this. Anyway, let's get on with the video, shall we? I'm just going to ignore the tripod. So I'm going to be making an apple dessert from the Titanic menu. Now, how I found this recipe was I was watching a documentary about the Titanic on YouTube, which was really interesting. And they were showing all these artifacts from the Titanic, including the Titanic menu. And I thought, I wonder what those foods would have tasted like. On the night when those people either perished or survived on the Titanic. Come back here. And so I Googled recipes from the Titanic. No, stay there. And I went through all these different recipes from the menu. And I came across this apple dessert, which is baked apples in butter, sugar, and cinnamon. I thought, well, that sounds really nice, and it's easy to make. So that's the recipe I'm going to be baking today in my van. And I thought it would be a good idea to turn this into a video. And I'm using my new phone. Woohoo, woohoo. Yes, I'm so sorry I couldn't make a video for a while because my other iPhone, oh my God, it was an iPhone 11, and oh my God, I couldn't believe it. All of a sudden it just stopped working. And I couldn't make a video for a couple of weeks or so, because I had to wait until I get paid to get a new phone, of course. So now that I've got my new phone, let's see how this video turns out. As long as this tripod doesn't wander off, I'll be okay. So, I have over here, let me just put you on pause for a minute.